Welcome back to the Review Garage, the channel where we bring you the hottest news, the boldest reviews, and the most exciting updates from the world of cars. If you love speed, luxury, and performance, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And stay tuned, because today we have something truly legendary to talk about. The all-new 2026 Ford Mustang GT500 has just been officially unveiled. And trust me, this is not just a Carrizza revolution in American muscle. For decades, the Mustang GT500 has carried the reputation of being a monster on the road, a muscle car that blends raw power with modern technology. But the 2026 version takes that legacy to an entirely new level. Ford has completely reimagined the GT500 for a new generation of drivers. And what they've delivered is nothing short of breathtaking. From design to performance, from engineering to technology, this machine screams dominance. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the 2026 Mustang GT500 immediately commands attention. It's wider, lower, and more aggressive than its predecessor. The front fascia is sharper, with a redesigned grille that improves airflow and cooling. Sleek LED headlights give it a futuristic edge while staying true to Mustang heritage. Every angle of this car is sculpted for aerodynamics events. A massive rear spoiler, and a diffuser that wouldn't look out of place on a race car. Ford didn't just build this to turn heads at car meets. They built it to dominate both the streets and the track. But what about under the hood? This is where the new GT500 truly earns its crown. The 2026 Mustang GT500 packs a newly engineered 5.2-liter supercharged V8 engine that pushes power levels to an insane 800 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 800 horses, ready to launch you from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. Ford has tuned this beast with advanced performance technologies, like a next-gen dual-clutch transmission, all-wheel drive capability for maximum traction, and adaptive suspension that adjusts in real time depending on your driving style. This isn't just brute force. It's precision engineering wrapped in muscle. Now, Ford knows that in today's world, performance isn't just about speed, it's also about control. That's why the 2026 GT500 comes equipped with a brand new electronic performance suite. Think of it as a digital co-pilot that manages everything from torque distribution to launch control. Whether you're cruising downtown, hitting a winding canyon road, or pushing limits on the track, the GT500 adapts instantly to give you the perfect balance of power and stability. Inside the cabin, Ford has made sure that performance doesn't come at the cost of comfort. The interior is modern, high-tech, and driver-focused. You'll find premium leather sport seats with contrast stitching, a fully digital instrument cluster, and an upgraded infotainment system with a AI-powered navigation. There's also full smartphone integration, a premium sound system, and customizable driving modes that change everything from the exhaust tone to the ambient lighting. This Mustang doesn't just roar, it connects with you on every level. Another exciting aspect is Ford's commitment to blending tradition with future technology. The 2026 GT500 will also be offered with a hybrid assist system option, giving drivers a boost of instant torque, while also improving fuel efficiency. It's proof that even the most legendary muscle car can adapt to the future without losing its soul. With its jaw-dropping performance, aggressive design, and cutting-edge technology, the 2026 Ford Mustang GT500 is not just an evolution, it's a revolution. It stands as a symbol of American muscle reinvented for the modern era. Ford has taken everything enthusiasts love about the Mustang, its power, presence, and attitude, and turned it up to 11. So, what do you think about the all-new 2026 Mustang GT500? Is this the ultimate muscle car of the future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let us know if this beast deserves a spot in your dream garage. That's all for today's review here on the Review Garage. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dives into the world's most exciting cars. Until next time, keep driving with passion, and stay tuned for more automotive legends unveiled right here.